Hi there, I'm Aaron. This is a quick introduction to the ASUS Lyra Voice all-in-one smart voice router, a combination mesh Wi-Fi router, Amazon Alexa voice assistant, and Bluetooth speaker. Just what you need to make your home a smart home. Lyra Voice has 3 modes to improve your connectivity. As a traditional standalone router, nice for small spaces or places where there's an Ethernet cable handy. As the main access point in a new node in an advanced AI mesh Wi-Fi system, or thirdly, as a boost to any other existing router in repeater mode. Plug in your Ethernet cable into the WAN port, that's this one back here, and then plug in power. A spinning blue LED will bounce around, but when it turns white, that's your signal to fire up the ASUS Router app and set up your new network. Download and open the ASUS Router app. Since we're setting up Lyra Voice as the main router, select I want to set up a new network. This is a reminder for you to turn on your Bluetooth. Select Lyra Voice. Wait for about a few minutes. Select Router mode. Select where you plan to locate it. Type in the Wi-Fi name and password that you want. Type in the desired admin name and password that you would like to use for controlling this network. Wait for a few minutes. Then, connect your phone to Lyra Voice. When the LED changes from white to blue, Lyra Voice setting is done. It's time to log into your Amazon account. Select your country. After a while, you're ready to go. Once your Wi-Fi is flowing, it's time to get acquainted with Alexa. From inside the Amazon Alexa app, it's a must to connect your Amazon account on each Lyra Voice node so you can enjoy all the features of a true smart home, like controlling lights, playing games, or even ordering a pizza. Hey Alexa, play My Favorites playlist.
Playing soft music from Spotify.